Hello, and welcome to Sleepy Astronomy. I'm so glad you're here with us tonight. Find a comfortable position, let your body sink into wherever you're resting, and allow yourself to simply listen. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Tonight, we're going to explore something that has captured human imagination for generations. The question of whether we are truly alone in this vast universe. We'll look at unidentified aerial phenomena, the evidence that's been documented, and the mystery that continues to unfold above us. But we're going to take our time, moving slowly through this story, letting each detail wash over you like gentle waves. Before we drift into our cosmic journey tonight, if you enjoy these peaceful explorations of the universe, I'd be grateful if you'd subscribe to Sleepy Astronomy. It helps us continue creating these restful voyages through space and time. And now, let's begin. The sky above us has always held secrets. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the darkness punctuated by pinpricks of light and wondered what else might be out there. In our modern era, that wondering has taken on new dimensions. Let us start in the year 1947, in the summer, when the warm air over the southwestern United States carried something unusual. A rancher named Mac Brazel discovered strange debris scattered across his property near Roswell, New Mexico. The pieces were described as lightweight, yet incredibly strong, with properties that seemed unusual for the time. The military arrived, collected the materials, and issued a press release stating they had recovered a flying disc. Then just as quickly, they retracted the statement, saying it was merely a weather balloon. This incident became the cornerstone of modern UAP discussion, though whether anything extraordinary truly occurred remains wrapped in layers of official statements and speculation. What matters for our story tonight is not necessarily what happened, but how it opened a doorway in the public consciousness, a doorway through which thousands of reports would eventually flow. Let's move forward through time now, drifting through the decades to the year 2004. The waters off the coast of San Diego were calm that November day. Navy pilots from the USS Nimitz carrier strike group were conducting routine training exercises when something appeared on their radar systems. The object, whatever it was, seemed to defy conventional physics. Commander David Fravor, an experienced pilot with thousands of flight hours, encountered something that day that he still describes with a sense of wonder. The object appeared as a white, smooth shape, roughly 40 feet long, with no visible means of propulsion, no wings, no exhaust plumes. It moved in ways that seemed to ignore the normal constraints of aerodynamics. When Fravor approached it in his FA-18 Super Hornet, the object allegedly accelerated away at speeds that should have been impossible. Other pilots witnessed it too. The incident was recorded on multiple sensor systems, radar, infrared cameras. Multiple trained observers all documented something they couldn't explain. Breathe slowly now. Let your breathing match the rhythm of this story, in and out, as we continue our gentle exploration. What makes the Nimitz incident particularly intriguing is not just the eyewitness accounts, but the multiple layers of verification. The objects were tracked on the ship's advanced radar systems, systems designed to detect threats from hundreds of miles away. The infrared footage, later released to the public, showed something moving in ways that challenged our understanding of propulsion and physics. In 2015, another incident occurred, this time off the coast of Florida. Navy pilots again encountered objects that seemed to demonstrate capabilities beyond known technology. These objects appeared to remain airborne for extended periods, moving against strong winds, accelerating rapidly without visible means of thrust. Lieutenant Ryan Graves, an FA-18 pilot, reported that his squadron encountered these phenomena almost daily for several months during training exercises. The pilots described objects that could hover in hurricane-force winds, then accelerate to supersonic speeds, all without producing the sonic boom that should accompany such movement. Imagine that for a moment. Something defying the very rules that govern how we understand flight and motion through air. Let your mind drift with these images, not trying to solve anything, just floating alongside these mysteries like a leaf on a stream. The United States government's response to these incidents evolved slowly, like continental drift, imperceptible at first, then undeniable. For decades, official policy was dismissal or silence. But in 2017, the existence of the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program was revealed, a Pentagon program that had quietly investigated UAP reports from 2007 to 2012. Though officially closed, investigations reportedly continued through other channels. In 2020, the Pentagon officially released 3 videos recorded by Navy pilots, the same videos that had been circulating unofficially for years. This official acknowledgement was significant. The government confirming that yes, these videos were real, yes, they showed objects that remained unidentified, and yes, they warranted serious investigation. By 2021, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence released a preliminary assessment on UAPs. The report was brief, examining 144 incidents reported by military personnel between 2004 and 2021. Of those 144 reports, only 1 could be explained with confidence. It was a deflating balloon. The others remained unexplained, with 18 incidents demonstrating unusual flight characteristics, objects that appeared to remain stationary in high winds, move against the wind, maneuver abruptly, or move at considerable speed without discernible means of propulsion. Breathe deeply. Let these facts settle around you like snow. Each one unique. Each one part of a larger pattern we're still trying to understand. What do we make of all this evidence? The truthful answer is, we don't know. And there's something peaceful in that acknowledgement. Something restful in accepting mystery rather than forcing premature conclusions. The scientific community approaches these questions with appropriate skepticism and rigor. Some of these incidents may have conventional explanations we haven't yet identified. Atmospheric phenomena, experimental aircraft, sensor errors, or optical illusions. Our perception can be tricked. Our instruments can malfunction. And the atmosphere itself can play tricks with light and radar waves. But some cases resist easy explanation. The combination of visual sightings, multiple sensor confirmations, and the trained observations of military personnel creates a puzzle that doesn't fit neatly into boxes. These observers are not untrained civilians prone to misidentification. They are people whose jobs require accurate threat assessment, whose careers depend on distinguishing between conventional aircraft and potential unknowns. Dr. J. Allen Hynek, an astronomer who worked as a scientific consultant for the Air Force's Project Blue Book, the official investigation into UFOs from 1952 to 1970, began as a skeptic. His job was to explain away sightings, but over time, examining thousands of reports, he developed a classification system and concluded that a small percentage of cases genuinely defied conventional explanation. Let your thoughts drift now, like clouds across a twilight sky, as we consider what all of this might mean. If some of these phenomena are truly unexplained by current science, several possibilities exist. Perhaps they represent natural atmospheric or astronomical phenomena we don't yet understand. Our knowledge of atmospheric physics, while extensive, is not complete. Ball lightning, for instance, was long dismissed before being accepted as a real phenomenon. Perhaps some represent advanced human technology, classified projects, testing capabilities beyond what's publicly known. Military research often operates decades ahead of public knowledge. Stealth technology, for example, was operational for years before the public learned of its existence, or perhaps. And this is the question that keeps people staring at the stars. Perhaps some represent something else entirely, something not from here. The universe is incomprehensibly vast, containing billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. Many of those stars with planets. The mathematical probability suggests we are not alone. Whether any other intelligence has found us or could find us across the immense distances of space remains one of the great open questions. Your breathing is slow now, steady, like the rotation of a distant planet around its star, peaceful and eternal. As you drift closer to sleep, consider this. Whether these phenomena represent undiscovered natural events, secret technology, or something beyond our current understanding, the mystery itself is part of what makes existence wonderful. We live in a universe that still has secrets, still has questions without answers, still has room for wonder. The stars above us have watched humanity for all of our existence, unchanging witnesses to our questioning, our seeking, our endless curiosity about what else might be out there in the cosmic ocean. And whether we are alone or not, whether these unexplained sightings represent something extraordinary or merely the unknown waiting to become known, the search itself is part of what makes us human. Let yourself drift now into peaceful sleep under that vast canopy of stars, knowing that mystery and wonder will still be there tomorrow and the day after, waiting for us to explore them with fresh eyes and rested minds. Sweet dreams from all of us at Sleepy Astronomy. May your sleep be as peaceful as the dark spaces between the stars. And may your dreams take you on journeys even more wondrous than the mysteries we've explored tonight. Good night.